Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to fix the download failed issue in Chrome. This problem usually happens because of network, storage, or app issues. But don't worry, I'll show you simple steps to solve it. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Check your internet connection carefully because most of the time downloads fail due to weak or unstable network. Now open your App Store or Play Store depending on your device. Sometimes Chrome download issues happen because the app is outdated, so we need to make sure everything is updated properly. Tap on the search bar and type Chrome. Once it appears in the results, open the app page. If you see an update button, tap it immediately. Updating Chrome fixes many bugs, including download failures. After updating, restart the app and try downloading again. So guys, this is how you can fix the download failed issue in Chrome easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tech fixes. Also, comment below if you want help with any other problem.